Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your GMC Savana without a key. First, understand that these methods require care to avoid damage to your vehicle's paint or internal mechanisms. We will explore common techniques using readily available tools, focusing on safety and effectiveness. Remember, patience is key when attempting these steps to ensure a successful and damage-free entry into your Savana. The Slim Jim is a classic tool for a reason. Gently slide it into the door frame, aiming for the internal locking rods. You'll need to feel for the correct rod that connects to the lock. Once you locate it, a gentle tug or push in the right direction should disengage the lock. This method requires a delicate touch to avoid bending the rod or scratching the window tint. For a less invasive approach, use an inflatable wedge to create a small, safe gap at the top of your door frame. Once a small opening is established, insert a long reach tool. This tool allows you to reach the interior door handle or the electronic unlock button. Carefully maneuver the tool to activate the unlock mechanism, then gently remove the wedge and tool. If you've tried these methods and are still locked out, it's best to call a professional locksmith. They have specialized tools and expertise to unlock your GMC Savana without causing damage. Attempting to force entry can lead to costly repairs. To prevent future lockouts, consider having a spare key made and keeping it in a secure, accessible location, like with a trusted friend or family member.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.